In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Expert Advisor in MetaTrader 5, a powerful platform for online trading. Whether you're new to using Expert Advisors or simply looking to improve your setup process, this guide will walk you through the essentials step by step. First, to get started, you'll need to obtain the Expert Advisor file. These files can typically be sourced from the MQL5 community or directly from your broker. Make sure you choose a reliable source to ensure the functionality and security of the file. Once you've got your EA file, it's time to open your MetaTrader 5 platform. If you don't have it open already, find it in your applications, open it up, and you'll be ready for the next step. Now, navigate to the File menu at the top left corner of your MT5 platform and select Open Data Folder. Opening this folder is crucial as it gives you direct access to the files and folders necessary for running your Expert Advisor. Within the Data folder, locate the MQL5 directory. Inside, you'll see a folder labeled Experts. This is where your journey to installing an Expert Advisor truly begins. The next step is quite straightforward. You need to take the Expert Advisor file you've obtained and copy it into the Experts folder you just located. This action effectively means that you're installing the EA on your MT5 platform. Once the file is in place, you'll want to make sure the platform recognizes your new addition. To do this, find your navigator window on the MT5 interface, usually on the left side, showing various tools and scripts. Right-click anywhere within this window and then select Refresh from the context menu. This action prompts MT5 to scan for any new additions in your directories, making your Expert Advisor visible and ready for use. Next, you'll need to configure some settings to ensure everything runs smoothly. Go to the Tools menu in your platform's top menu bar, select Options, and then navigate to the Expert Advisors tab. This section is all about ensuring the platform is ready to run your EA. Here, make sure the Allow Algorithmic Trading option is checked. This tells MT5 to permit the automated trading actions that your EA is designed to perform. In case your Expert Advisor needs to access external files or requires web access, you might also need to check options like Allow DLL imports and Allow web request for listed URL. These settings are vital if your EA requires them to function properly. By following these steps, you're all set to enjoy the full capabilities of your Expert Advisor on MetaTrader 5. Remember, it's essential to verify each setting and file placement, as these determine how effectively your EA will run. This careful setup ensures that your trading activities are as seamless and efficient as possible.